YouTube, but today we're gonna make a volcano. I made bouncy balls and slime, and this is Dr. Science thing, so it's really work. Okay, we kind of do it. So yeah, it was a fail. Okay, all you need is the powder for that. There, we don't need that because we know. Let me speak. We bought this on Norway, and it's called Science Einstein Science. Okay, for first we're gonna put the powder. Everything. Then we're gonna put a stone. The volcano stone. No, don't put all. Then we're gonna put the volcano stone. Just wait. This is a real volcano stone. It's not from the side. No, it's not real. Where is that? Okay, we're gonna need this. Okay. It's not a real volcano stone. If you can see. Yeah, whatever, you don't need it. Oh yeah. You don't need it. Be about to be made. Oh, shh. Mara, stop. That's edit you were putting on. Yeah, we're gonna put on edit. I just forgot to say that. I know. No. Stop it. You don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I know. That's why I asked you to put a lot on it. That won't help. You happy? Minute. I asked you to not put much of it. It's a waste, you know. Stop it. That's it. Okay, bye. Have you enjoyed?